Forget what Instagram tells you. Self love isn't just face mask, bubble baths, and aesthetic journal under LED lights. That's comfort. That's surface level. It's easy to romanticize your life when you are in mood, when everything cute and the lighting is perfect. But that's not where growth happens. Real self love starts when it gets hard, when it's dark, when no one's watching, when it's not glamorous, just necessary. Discipline is self love in action. It's dragging yourself out of bed when your motivation is dead. It's sitting down to revise when your brain is screaming for a break. It's studying when your friends are out. Showing up to that exam prepared. And knowing deep down that you did this for you, not for everyone else, not for the likes, not for the performance, just for your future self. Anyone can love themselves when they feel good, but discipline, that's loving yourself on the days when you don't feel worthy. That's saying, I'll still show up because I know I deserve more than what I have settled for before. That's what separates those who only dream for those who actually build. Self love is always gentle, sometimes it's ruthless. It's cutting off friendship that strain you. It's protecting your peace like it's your oxygen. It's holding yourself accountable when you are sleeping not with shame but with honesty. It's admitting when you have been stacking, not blaming life, not waiting for the mood swings, but getting up, dusting off, and trying again because quitting isn't an option. When your future is on the line, discipline is power, and it's quiet. No one claps when you delete social media. No one celebrates when you turn down a party to study. No one notices when you rewrite your notes at midnight or when you cry over a textbook and still keep going. But you know you are building something that will last, and that's what matters. Because the truth is, discipline is what carries you when motivation dies. And it always died. That disciplined version of you, she is the one that holds the line. When the one that shows up, whether it's fun or not, she is the one that's going to get the result, not the one who waits for vibes. The glow up they see on the outside is just the result. The discipline behind it, that's the real flex. Bye.